bit of moisture over there on the Hailsham bend because Joey ran wide. The track is actually more banked over there on the Hailsham bend than it is on the bottom bends. And we used to know as the scoreboard bend, but the scoreboard is just there for decoration these days. And it will be 3 laps next time by, 3 laps next time by for 760 Joey Reynolds. So starting the last racing lap in the first heat this evening for the Back to Basics bangers. Oh, as we get a crash here and debris on track as well. Okay, we are going to go checkered and red with the debris over there. We have actually got a broken wheel over on the Hailsham turn, so significant. So heat number 2 for the bangers underway. One didn't get going, shaking his head in disbelief down here. That's actually, is that Ross Gould in 710 who didn't get going? Not so sure that is Ross Gould. Anyway, to the race. And Matt Nutley it is who leads off in 18. From Lewis Hooper in 88. Oh, it's a clash here. Oh, 131 collected heavily. Oh, and we've got debris as well. So it's straight back to red flag, unfortunately, with debris on the track. So back underway for heat number 2 for the bangers and Matt Nutley in 80. Ross Tide does rejoin, but here we go with the race lead for Matt Nutley in 80 from 299 and 88, 299. As I say, Gary Power is going in 110. Sean Bagley. Oh, it's but 2. Well, that's unfortunate for the black and greens down there. Power in 299, certainly hunting him down, but is running out of time here for the run to the flag. Here it is. It's going to be the driver from Southampton, Matt Nutley, who went heat number 2. Gary Power second. So heat number 3 underway for the bangers this evening here at Arlington. We've lost Ben Parnaby, number 14, on the rolling lap. Now we've lost Rob Farley in 771. So 2 drivers that I kind of gave the big up on the call over of numbers already gone in this heat number 3 this evening. Plenty of black and green cars here this evening. And here's one of them leading the way in heat number 3. Adam Welsh in 623. There's Jack Copper in 625. Of course, son of Andy Copper, who's racing in the historic stock cars under that same number. Spider's web or hanging off the back. He shoots into the lead now down the back straight with a good turn of speed as he does so. 276 wheel. Oh, and now he's crashed over there on the Hailsham turn as well. And he's been collected by 623. It was running into place, of course. But still with our race leader of Dean White in 111. And 111 getting significantly held up as actually his teammate was dealing with the driver ahead, or now he's clashed into others, and 443 has now been held up, and that's allowed 111 clear. So it looked like 111 was about to lose his lead, but then they both got caught up in the same pile-up. Toby Webb in 130 and 443 and Mickey Collar. Gemma goes on past in 205. 777 with a spin. Oh, and they have to be a bit careful there. 111 spins Rob Farley and goes into the wall that stopped him. So it is now Toby Webb in 130. 443 for second. That's Mickey Collar. And who is going to be third? Lee Mundy came across from third in 21. I say these really are strugglers and stragglers now. So heat number 4 it is now. I guess it's half of the available cars this time rather than a third. 724 of Peter Crichton, who didn't go very far in his first heat, hasn't gone very far again this time. Oh, it's okay, man, a bit of 532. That's actually. So back underway for the bangers. some of them going for a spin here. Race 4, 6 and 7 go piling in. Kieran Cook in 44. And the one that had a wild ride was David Page in 315. We've got 787 down here. The one that's got his back end down to the traffic. Kieran Cook in 44. Oh, he's been got by Mikey Fitzsimmons and 7 others. Another love bug involved as well in 110. So there is a way through. But we have got red flags out and showing. We have got a problem, I think, for 315. So when the driver gives the thumbs down signal. Oops, of Tom Farron. And it will be halfway this time. This is either halfway this time, and there will be a black cross to be shown to Jerry Reynolds. But Thomas Beckett still leading in 413. Richard Tanner in 267. They comes up Beckett and up. Accidentally runs Jerry up the wall on the bottom bend. Well, they find their way blocked down there on the back straights. They pick their way forward. 171 straight up the back of 787, I think that was. Careful is on. Bear in mind he was shown that black cross, and it will be up to the steward to decide whether or not he keeps to win another lap, and it could well be a different story, or is it going to be this bend as they come to the flag? 413 did clip 171, the 760 Jerry Reynolds just pushes Thomas Beckett across the line, and it's Beckett who takes the victory. Down the first casualty, Danny Butler in 69, spun aside here on the home straight, 3 abreast on the home straight. Are they all going to make it round and into the Hailsham turn, the R6? 131 Alistair Neville was gone on the bottom bend. What a smack here onto the fence on the home straight for 784 in 784. Jack Copper has gone on the back straights in 625, now been collected by Lee Monday in 21. So plenty going on. As Joey Reynolds gets an end in by 69 as he goes to recover, 69 from that spin. And leading Joey in 760 is a little bit of a scalp. Daniel Allen in 128, that car appears to be all show and no go so far tonight. Very smartly turned down car, but just isn't going for him. Broken down once again in 128. The race lead though, despite all of his problems early on, is Ryan Baker in 84, although he's now gone in a clash down on the bottom bend. So that's the leader gone, so we're looking for a new leader now, and it will be Turkish. James Friston in 18. Well, it turns out the pink car. There we are, completing another lap for James Friston. Turkish. Oh, several piled in down there on the bottom bend. Turkish stood down on the terracing just ahead of the people's terracing. A good view down there, will be halfway this time, but the leader has spun. He does pick his way past that crash, so he is going to get here in the lead. James usually up for the crash rather than this, but I get the sense that he may well go for the win this time. Turkish in 18. Turkish, oh, he comes to grief, and there's 757 right there with him. Yes, and Tom Farron right there with him, so all of a sudden Turkish's big lead is down to nothing. So it's a pink car versus a pink and black car, and Tom Farron in 757, and Turkish throws it away. 7 there, Turkish just entered the bend very quickly and almost spun it away, and that has allowed Tom Farron well clear. As he comes down, he's been very quick all evening, and should prove to be the case again in the 5th and final heat as he comes through to win it. So Tom Farron, one of the leading members of Team Wonky Donkey. So well over 45 cars for tonight's banger final. And Rob Farley with a spin, he needs to get out of the way pretty smart. He actually had a sort of a bubble in the back there, managed to have that spin. So Turkish leads off, James Friston in 18, from Weevil Tim James in 522. Richard Tanner in 265. A real schmozzle at the end of the home straight. doesn't go, then that becomes all a bit immaterial. Oh, and Herbie's going in hard down there. Oh, as that takes Toby Webb in as well. So Toby Webb, earlier heat winner with a real pacing down there on turns 3 and 4. But Herbie continues on his way in 110, birthday boy, Sean Bagley. So Toby Webb to the safety of Shale. Now picking their way through a pile up over there on the exit of the Hailsham turn this time. Our race lead is Milky, 982, Stephen Turner. Second place, as others coming to grief now over there on the Hailsham turn. Toby Webb turned out a bit again, this time by Richard Tanner in 267. But Stephen Turner has now got caught up over there with Thomas Farrance, and now we're looking for 267 possibly. Toby Webb, not too sure. So Gary Power in 299. Oh, it's final. Stephen Turner in 982 and Jerry Reynolds in 760 as Herbie goes up the back of the van down there in 776. Those Beatles have proved to be strong. Wouldn't it be funny if half the pack were all VW Beatles next year? 9, Stephen Turner for second in 982. And it will be 5 laps next time by now. 5 laps next time by. They made their way round the Hailsham turn. It can happen, of course. 3 laps to go for Gary Power, and that's put Milky into the pile up down there. But Tom Farron in 757 just hasn't got the speed, and Gary Power is going to win tonight. We will go to green flag, and the DD has now commenced. Now they can go any way around the track. The object of the exercise is to stop their opponent's car, and the last car moving will be the winner. Trying to see whether the Beetle, where is that? Because I didn't pick that out. The potentially strong car is well and truly gone, so that's not going to be part of the DD. Fitzsimmons goes in there on Farron in 757. Oh, it's big hits going in just at the other side of the People's Terrace. 623 goes party in on 724. It could be, we're going to end up with a short sharp DD here, because they're certainly not holding back. Big hit down there on 88. We have gone to red flag once again though. This is one a lot of drivers getting out of their car, which unfortunately we cannot do. We cannot allow that. They know that. Drivers have got out of the car. I think they're just assuming that the Destruction Derby has finished. So that is it. No winner on the Destruction Derby. It will just be the president.